that good.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my vloggy vlog. After seeing what the markets look like today, it looks amazing, you guys. Today is January 15th, 2019, and baby, I see my favorite trades forming today, so let's get this day started. What's up, you guys? So I'm doing something a little different today. I did my journal a little different today, you guys. So what I'm doing now is writing all my thoughts in my notebook. I mean, I usually do this anyways, but I do this after I mark up my charts and put the text on my chart, like literally put it, like type it in my chart. But I rather just put down all my details in my notes, and I found that to be more easy for me, and I like to write a little bit more than I like to type, so I have way more details in my journal than I do like just typing on my chart. So I want to tell you guys what I feel like is going to happen for tomorrow. I see a few high probability trades and I see a few fugazi trades, but overall I only see about 4. I see about 4 opportunities going on. So let's get into it. First of all, we have news, you guys. When I checked on the news, it said it was news for every pair, but I'm not sure if I read that right. But I know for sure that GBP has a red folder, and it's for 415 and 430. And I do have a GBP pair that looks playable, but I have to remember that news is coming, but it's not gonna be at my time, because you guys know I wake up at like 5 a.m. but it's kind of my time because it's gonna be at 4:30, so it might not be a go. It just might not be a go because I'm not trying to risk it. Okay, I don't want to play news. You shouldn't either. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and just start with GBP Chief. So I have GBP Chief for a rise because I see that it has sauce on the higher time frames, you guys. If you don't know what sauce is, please check out VKU or just follow me. Subscribe, okay? But yeah, so I think I see really nice sauce on the 4-hour. It looks like it's heading towards the blueberry, which is a good thing because I am so sick of seeing the blueberry in play. I don't mind price heading towards the blueberry, but when blueberry is in play, I don't want to play. I don't want to play no more. I don't want to play, okay? Because there's a lot of fugazi stuff that happens when a blueberry is in play. So if you're going towards the blueberry, cool beans. I like it. It's cool. The overall trend is up, you guys. Overall, I told myself to just play with the trend because that's the best bet. Okay, so the next pair is EuroCAD, and I have EuroCAD for a drop. It went 480R today and broke hella lows. It also broke the lows in the TDI too, which confirmed that it could be a possible continuation. I'm looking for this pair to either ride the water 50 EMA and then shift, or do a slight false move then shift. But overall, I am looking for a drop for EuroCAD. EuroCAD, you might be playable tomorrow. Let's see if you pop off, okay? The markets are talking to me. Be quiet. The next pair is GBP Chief, okay? Wait, hold on. We just did GBP Chief. The next pair we got going on is Euro USD. Euro. Come through, Euro. I have Euro USD for a drop. Euro USD was dropping so much last year, and honestly it still kind of looks like a head and shoulders on the 1 hour, but yeah. Anywho, I'm playing with the trend. The overall trend is a downtrend, so I am looking for it to go ahead and drop because let's see, what did I say? See, I don't know about Euro USD. It's kind of iffy to me because even though it broke through the water on the daily, it threw a pin on the blueberry. So I'm like, do you have room to go, or are you finna start ranging? Because I don't like playing with the blueberry. Like, I mean, the blueberry is playable, but I just don't like it. It's just, you can't really get too many pips when price is planned on the blueberry, okay? Like I said, I don't like the placement of the blueberry on the daily at all. But at the end of the day, on the blueberry on the 1 hour, which is another indication that it might just range out. It might just range out. Like, this is probably not going to be a good trade for me. But if it plays out nicely in the morning, shows me my rules, follows my rules, and don't look fugazi, then we can play. Last and maybe least, I have USD Chief. And USD Chief looks like a rise to me overall, but it has hit the blueberry on the 4 hour, which can indicate that it might just range out. It might just range out on my butt, and when it does, and when I see that, I'm not playing it. But it's been ranging for like 5 days, and it broke on Monday. That's what got me thinking it's going to be a rise, but I need to see a shift right off the water, 50 EMA, for me to enter this trade, or a slight false move to enter this trade for tomorrow. That's my last pair. Only got 4 pairs that are playable and that looks kind of playable, honestly, but you know, it's still kind of early January, so we still trying to get into the swing of things, trying to see what the market is going to be going for the rest of the year. I've been saying this, but yeah, just gotta stay patient, you guys, and not just jump into any stinking trade. So I'll be seeing you guys very soon. And just to let people know, I do trade different strategies, and for tonight I'm looking for 2 different strategies, so that's all I've seen in the market. Maybe with your strategy you can find more opportunities, but with me, I'm only sticking with 2, baby, okay? I'm gonna master those 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and push on. But for people that think I can't read charts and I can't find opportunities, it's just because we have 2 different strategies. No, I mean, I wouldn't say nobody has the same strategy, but majority of traders have different strategies. Point blank.
What's up, you guys? Good morning. I just seen my entry not too long ago. As you can see in the TDI right down here, this pair has created my entry, my W formation. So right now I am waiting on my first push, and I might go ahead and tag this a few times if I see multiple entries. But I do have my precise stop loss in and my precise take profit in, so I'm just gonna wait it out. Euro USD has created a shift, but honestly it looks like a V-top, so I won't be entering this trade. It just doesn't look, it doesn't show real foundation for me to enter. Yeah, I don't see a W. It looks just like a V-top. So
What's up, you guys? So I am tired, and I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible. So let me tell you what happened this morning. As you know, I've been up since 5 a.m. and it's about almost 11 o'clock at night. I'm ready to go to sleep, but I had to mark my charts, and I don't see one of my favorite trade, which is a continuation tomorrow, but I do see another trade that also follows the trend. So I'm pretty excited. I have way more options than I did yesterday, so let's go ahead and get this thing started. Let's go. Most of the pairs that I thought would do a range did range on me and did hold the level, which was expected. But one of the pairs that actually moved a bit was USD Chief. I ended up getting in on that pair and catching about 25 pips. And that pair also held the level too, so it didn't go as much pips as I thought. But yeah, you guys, I see some opportunities tomorrow. I don't see my favorite trade, which is a continuation, but I do see some trades that are also with the trend, so I'm excited about that. What's up, you guys? Let me tell you what happened in the markets. Let's get into it. First up is NZD USD. This pair went ahead and held the level, didn't take out any lows or anything. It ranged pretty much and just stayed put in the level that it was already in. So yeah, that's what happened with NZD USD. The next pair is USD Chief. And this pair continued the trend after holding the day before, you guys. So I had it for a drop the day before, pretty much yesterday, but it ended up dropping today. But hold on, because I think this was the V bottom that I was trying to talk to you guys about. Yeah, it didn't throw a W formation. It threw a freaking V bottom in, and a V bottom is so risky. It's not worth it, okay? Even though it did go ahead and rise, it's too risky. It's gambling. Don't play V bottoms. Don't play V tops. It's a no-go. Don't do it, okay? You heard it here. Don't do it. Okay, so the next pair is Euro USD, and this pair dropped, but it held the level. It didn't take out any lows. As we can see, most of these plays were fugazi and whack. They held the level through some crazy whack plays like a V bottom. Nothing was really spectacular, you guys. But the way the market is moving right now, I am very positive and happy and hopeful to see some sauce being formed on the weekly and the monthly time frames. If that happens, next week is going to be great, you guys. So stay tuned, because this week is whack. But I lived to trade another day, and that is very important, okay? So don't forget to like this video. If you like it, that is a way of sharing, you guys. Go ahead and get my freaking channel out there and share it to the world. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that bell for notifications. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Deuces.
Money follow you, banana follow